Lovely.
The good news, it runs like a watch. We fixed the coolant leak. It was the water pump seal. We just chucked a new water pump in. We had a diesel leak coming from the leak off pipes on that one, two of those injectors, so we changed the O-rings on them and that stopped the diesel leak. The bad news is the body's going to have to come back off again because of this noise, which is not doing it now because it's warmed up. Yeah, the noise is an exhaust blow, and it sounds like it's coming from where the manifold joins the head. And of course, once it's warmed up, it doesn't do it until you blip the throttle because the gap is being closed up. So it doesn't squeak when it's idling, but it does when you rev it. So yeah, we're going to have to pull the body again to get to this exhaust manifold and find out why it hasn't seated on the head properly. Not quite what I wanted, but on the upside, the engine does run like a watch, so I'm happy with that. So, Sid,
We're doing it now. We're ripping it off.
we're going to pull the body off it again.
2 hours later.
Well, what's going on? Yeah, they are a bit tight. Back. Bloody hell, so you can't pull it up. Yeah, that's going to break like that. Yeah. Take this hit in the full pipe off and have a bit of room. Just keep that as tight in there as you can. And I'll do this side. Pulling that bloody button. Watch. Pull that. Wait it right. Just watch it. I think it'll be alright now. Good. Run up down. Yeah, I've done that.
Handbrake.
Yeah. One up. Go on. Nothing attached at your end, is there, Mark?
Looking under it, Sid?
Huh?
Looking under it.
Yeah, man.
Up.
Just check those ranks out to make sure they're all nice.
Check that fuel nozzle over there.
Your bit's clear.
Yeah.
Just shine the light on that back ramp there, Sid, so I can see it. I can't really fucking see it. Have a look, is that one enough?
Yeah.
Well, up you go, Mark.
Okay?
Yeah.
So lock it back down.
Okay, yeah.
Here we go again.
Yeah, here we go again. Can you believe it, right? Took the body off and it was that EGR gasket blowing there. Let me get a bit of light on the subject so you can see it. See where the soot's coming out. Yeah, I couldn't see that with the body on. Oh well, there we are. It's done now. There's that EGR pipe leak in there. And the gasket is blown out. So, we need to get a new EGR gasket for that. Ah, right, yo. Probably didn't need to take the body off, but I couldn't see that with the body on. So, we need to get a new gasket, fit that, and then we'll put the body back on. Hopefully, she'll be like brand new.
What do you say?
Sid done it up too tight.
Yeah, Sid's fault. Right, that's it for this one. It's only a quick one. Really, I just needed to crack on and get it sorted. So, I obviously didn't do much filming. But you've already seen the body come off once. You don't need to see it again, do you? So there we are. I'm going to change the other side while we're at it, just in case that starts to go. So yeah, just waiting for parts now. Getting 2 new gaskets, drop the body back on and run him up again. And hopefully this time it should be right. Right, I'll see you next time. All the best.